Hi guys, this is Namrata. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a makeup for the college girls. So I'm sure everybody is going to be very excited and love it. Let's get started.
I'm going to use a pink shade from the Folklore palette on the entire crease and blend with a blending brush, and it should be blending it with a proper and seamlessly effort hands so that it looks very pretty on the eyes, because this color is very pretty guys. I love this color. Then I'm going to take the brown shade from the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette, and I'm going to start blending it on the outer corner of the crease. Then I'm going to take the green color, which is a metallic shiny color from the Folklore palette. Again, this is an amazing, this is a sea green shimmery kind of a green color. It looks very attractive on any eyeshadows as base. Like if we put it on any eyeshadow as base, it comes out with a different color altogether. And especially we need to put it on the middle of the eyes with our fingers so that it looks lovely and very attractive from far. Then I'm going to take the Dior Volumized Mascara and start wheeling it onto my lashes so that it gives you a very volumized look. Then I'm going to use my favorite kajal from a very local drugstore, and I'm going to start using it onto the lower lash line again, and I'm going to start blending it as well in the lower lash line. Then finally, I'm going to take my favorite blusher guys, Poppy, on the apple of the cheeks because it looks you very baby pink color on the cheeks. As you all know, I'm going to be back with the new videos again on every Sunday and Wednesday guys. Till then, take care of yourself and love you so much, and keep following me on my new videos and let me know how you all liked my new videos, and do not forget to give your comments below. Till then, bye bye.